It's Patrick at Pals. Corvettes, they're iconic. They've been around since 1953 in different configurations. This one is an 03 and it's here today to have its clutch replaced. And look what we needed to do to replace the clutch. The torque tube, transmission, and differential, and rear suspension all had to be dropped from the car because the clutch is up here. And in order to access that clutch, we had to drop the transaxle and the torque tube. So everything on this car is in the rear. The clutch is up front. This is the torque tube. And then the power is transferred from the clutch to the transmission. And the transmission is direct to the differential. So there's no loss of power, there's no twisting or turning. The power is linear back here. If you've got a Corvette, bring it to Pals. See you soon.